In this training video, we will be going over reviews settings. So as you can see, we are in the Settings tab and the Reviews section. This is where you're going to type in your statement, your request for review. These are your words right here that you would type in. And this is the area for texting. This is your review for a review text, and you would type right in there. We allow you 3 different links for review request. So we have Google here, Yelp, and let's say you wanted Facebook. You would click on here and you would enter in the title Facebook and the review link for Facebook. Copy and paste it and put it right there. Then you'd click OK. Also, if you wanted to activate all of these, you just do this checkoff box. So now Yelp is activated, Google's activated with these boxes, or you can deactivate. You also can delete if you needed to. You can do that as well. Or edit Google, Yelp, or Facebook, or whichever you're putting in here. Also, this is your reviews tab over here, just off to the right of your call report. So if this job's done, now you're going to click on reviews at this point. To your success, and thank you for watching.